If you feel like you're speaking but nobody can really understand you, this is for you. I'm going to show you 3 simple things you can adjust right away to stop mumbling and speak clearly. And if you want to learn more about the voice, hit subscribe. Because most people think mumbling is about confidence, but it isn't. It's all about how your voice is set up. If people ask you to repeat yourself, or your words feel unclear, or you get lost when you speak, that is what is referred to as mumbling. Now, mumbling is not a confidence issue. However, it can affect confidence when somebody mumbles. It all has to do with coordination and how your voice is being used, how things are aligned, the speaking mechanism, and so forth. And I'm going to show you today how to do that to make your voice and speech sound a lot clearer instantly. Tip number 1. One of the biggest things that happens amongst mumblers is people don't move their jaw. So the jaw is a big part of articulation. The tongue is the main articulator. But if the jaw is not moving, it doesn't give the tongue the space to move around in. So if the jaw is tense, Kristen, now you can really hear I'm not sounding very clear because my jaw was closed while I was talking. And a slightly clenched jaw limits articulation. The sound doesn't come out as clearly. So what can you do? Drop your jaw slightly. Imagine there's a little space between your upper and lower teeth, and allow your mouth to actually move when you speak. Now, I'm not talking about this. You don't want to over-articulate, but give yourself some space so the jaw actually opens up, so you have some room for the tongue to move, and you get more resonance as the jaw opens up. Because if your jaw doesn't move, your words can't come out clearly. Tip number 2, bring the sound a little more forward, a little more up. So if I'm talking like this, all right, you can still hear me, but suddenly I don't sound as clear anymore. What just happened? My voice totally dropped into the throat. So instead of speaking from the throat, place the sound more forward, more towards the palate, more towards the lips. That gives you more resonance, and with that, you get more clarity as you're speaking. Tip number 3, add some support. What does that mean? You need breath in order for the voice to flow out. When you articulate, when you speak, the sound is formed in the mouth, but we need some energy behind it that brings that sound out, and that's the breath. With that also comes posture. So if I'm standing like this and I'm talking, you can still hear me, but now my breathing is gone, my voice dropped into the throat, and I'm kind of closed off. Now I'm standing more upright, the torso is lifted, and I have nice breath support while I'm speaking, and I'm using more resonance, and I gave it a little space between the upper and lower teeth, and guess what? That's how you get rid of mumbling. Simple as that. Step 1, 2, 3, and you're good to go. Clear speech isn't about working harder, trying to project louder, or over-articulating. It's really aligning the parts that are involved with speaking, which is breath, resonance, and the articulators itself, which is the tongue and the jaw. When these are aligned, it's so much easier to speak clearly. Because when your voice is set up well, clarity becomes effortless. Now, if mumbling is something that you deal with, it's not just about thinking about those tips. It's implementing these habits that lead to clear speech. It's about training your voice to do this automatically. That's exactly why I created the Vocal Reset, which gives you simple exercises to improve your speech clarity, your resonance, your breathing, and relaxation for the articulating muscles, which means your mouth and your tongue. That way your voice starts working for you and not against you. You'll find the link below. Your voice is one of your most important tools, and it should feel easy, comfortable, and reliable. And if you found this video helpful, hit subscribe. There's lots more videos to come with lots of goodies for you. I'll see you in the next video.